Oh, yeah.
Okay, you guys, we're back. So we've let the bread proof. That
Proof?
yeah. So
Rise.
we let the bread rise. It's not as high as I want it to be,
But isn't it gonna get purer when it
but it's a nice. It could stand to go a little bit longer, maybe like 5 or 10 minutes more, just to get to those edges. But I think it's a decent size. I mean, this is our first bread, so we're gonna. I can't.
bread looks big to me. Isn't it gonna like get even bigger when it's in the oven?
Okay, so we're about to put these loaves in the oven, and we'll be back to you with our finished product. Okay? We'll be back. Okay, family, we're back. So Kaka, can you hand me that those 2 sheets of paper? Here you go, sweetie.
Okay.
Nope, that's not it. Thanks. Okay, we're back and the bread is ready. I'm gonna reach you guys a few tips. It just says allow the bread to cool completely before slicing. Watch out. Which we did. KJ is here. And that it can be stored at room temperature, like in a plastic bag, etc., or in the refrigerator. Now, I have some sweet butter that I'm going to put on the bread. You're gonna be a world famous baseball player, honey. Keep it going. No, just hand it to me.
I almost dropped the knife.
Keep it going, honey. Let me get some light up in here because we're losing light. So, put my butter on here and glaze it up across, and then I'm going to show you guys what it looks like.
No, I think it came out a little uneven on this one.
It did. It came out. We could use some work, but the fact of the matter is that
it's bread.
We have bread that is
Only took roughly 3 hours.
Sustainable
For 2.
For our family. And bingo, it has that little
hollowness.
The hollowness. Can you guys hear it? Over the dishwasher?
Probably not, but that's okay.
But you want to hear that thump, 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 thump. And it's nice, and I'm just excited. So you did a good job.
Yes.
Give me some. He's here. So here it is. You want to show him this one? Uh-oh. Right. Put your hands in there.
This the uneven one.
You need a screenshot. Watch your arms.
It's the uneven one. It's not.
Bring it up.
I like it. Like right there. Looks really good.
Okay. I think that he did a fantastic, well, that we did a fantastic job. And you want to get one of those pans or a white plate. I like it this way. I mean, There's certain specialty breads that I like to get in the store, but I also like to, I prefer to have something that would just came right out, you guys. We need a bigger plate than that, boy.
Yeah, okay.
Take that back. It's good to have something that you know what's in it. All that extra stuff from the grocery store is like, please don't drop it. Okay. You feel some type of way?
You need another one?
No, we're fine. So I don't have a bread. You know what? I probably should have waited. Yeah. I should have waited just a few more minutes. But it does look good. It just needs to cool. See if I could get you guys, get some butter on here. The outside is crispy. And it's like just real life bread. Here. Oh my gosh, y'all. I won't be eating this whole thing. Car, you want to taste it? It tastes like a thick piece of sandwich bread, like Texas toast.
With the honey on it, just makes it.
With that honey butter on it.
Just makes it so much
Yeah, it is so good. You guys gotta try it. Maestro, about to call him in here. I wish you guys would be able to, there he goes. You wanna try it? He loves buttered bread. And we put a little bit of honey butter on it.
What kind of butter is it?
Honey butter. Here, let me lift you up.
I'll be back.
Oh, 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Okay.
Just like.
Because you know he gonna tell the truth. He gave us a thumbs up, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. You guys have a good day. Love you. Peace and blessings to yours from ours.
Bye. Yeah, let me just. Bye.
Bye.
Sorry, scoot me real quick.
Okay. Take care.
Bye.